short form video, and that's little video clips like this that you might use for Reels, for Instagram stories, for YouTube Shorts. In fact, do you even know what YouTube Shorts is? And of course TikTok. And if you thought TikTok was just for children, absolutely not. All the big brands and businesses are on TikTok because the reach is so phenomenal. So how do we as fitness professionals create short form video quickly and easily to populate across the different social media platforms? When each platform has a slight different nuance, well, I'll be showing you exactly how to do it with your content this Wednesday 1 till 2 for my business building webinar. Lots of tips, tricks, how you can create small video that will get new clients and customers into your online business and your face-to-face business. There is a knack to it, and I can show you exactly how to do it. So make sure you're booking for lots of business building tips on Wednesday 1 till 2, and it's all about short form video.